Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about division of rational expressions. This math is intended to the grade 8 students. So I have here a cubed minus ab cubed over a squared b is divided by a squared plus ab over 3ab plus 3b squared. By the way, in division of rational expression, so you need to cross out at least one. Okay, that's the rule. So first thing to do is I need to factor out the numerator of the first group and later the second group. So common between a cube and a is a. And then a cube divided by a. So this will be a squared. Then minus ab cube divided by a. So this will be b cube. Okay? Then copy a squared b. Then I need to change this division. Change to multiplication and then upside down of this fraction. So this will become 3ab for my numerator plus 3b squared. And then my denominator will be my numerator. So this will be a squared plus ab. So since I have a squared means a times a. So meaning I have 2a. So cross out 1a. So this will be a squared minus b cubed over a b. Then times, factor out the numerator and denominator. So common between 3ab plus 3b. So this will be 3. Then I have b and then b squared. So this will be b. So 3ab divided by 3b. 3ab divided by 3b. So cross out 3 and b. So this will be a. A plus. Then next is 3b squared divided by 3b. So cross out 1b. So I have b. So this will be a plus b. How about the denominator? So common between a squared and a is a. So a plus b. So take note, this will be common, so this will be crossed out. Then how about this one? So b and b. So need to erase. Sorry for the inconvenience because I have a limited space on my whiteboard. So I have a squared minus b cubed over a. And then times. This will be 3 over a. So this will be 3. Circle brackets a squared minus b cubed over a times a is a squared. So I think this is my final answer. That's all.